solar.
Yeah.
And then I think you're left with what?
Oh my gosh.
Pardew and Moyes and Potter. Potter's too early to say, so we have to take him out of the equation altogether. It's too hard to judge at this point. So I think you then go on Allardyce.
Investigating. Day 3 of that massive manhunt for a suspected double murderer in central Tennessee. Kirby Wallace accused of killing 2 people and seriously injuring a third, and the crime spree to begin.
I know they're not final yet, but we've shared the preliminary results.
To fight for one. But in 2024, he was tired of working. As he told The Independent, that was almost 6 years ago. And I find back getting in the They're list. Over.
You fucking idiot. Motherfucker, here we go! God damn it! God.
Transmission undetected. Honda Link Assist will call emergency.
You're not making
To start voice recognition, push and release the top switch.
Oh, damn. No.
You prefer to back up. The most important times of life, the ones that shape us. That you
Yeah, me too. Don't do it. Shit! God, what a
What the? There's a fire truck!
Oh, she's so stupid. And now look, there's another car. That car is going against traffic as well. And I've got to find a way to get out of the way so this fire truck can make its way. There's even a taxi behind me there. So I pull over here to the right.
Thanks, David.
So, nothing about this, again, is organic. It is incredibly cringe, and...
Yesterday, over concerns about measures packaged and considered. President Trump convened Republicans.
Idiot!
Jesus. What? Yeah. Go on, you idiots. Say it.
What are you doing with that?
Like I'm supposed to be. Like this other Impala isn't. Don't you do it! Are you kidding me? You're still braking even though the light is green. Are you serious? Yeah?
Most people get mad about that one.
Christ.
Commemorating song, legendary, is the beginning of a chapter for me as a writer and co-writer on every song. After
8 of the men. Woodman took pains to tell the Apaches who had escaped the killing that he had nothing to do with the massacre. Gradually, some chose to believe it.
Jesus.
The Justice Department reviewed the government's reporting. It concluded that there was no
Place the explosives to blow the rock away.
There's an American flag flapping in the wind and 6 limestone crosses covered with pennies, gifts to fallen heroes, and a plaque. In memory of our firefighters who gave their lives in the line of duty at this site, November 29th, 1988.
I mean, remember, this occurred in '88. The families of the firefighters.
Restrictions apply. Call 888-733-TREE. See if you qualify. It's a little bit, but what I have come to realize is that this city is especial. Sobre todo su gente. I feel so welcomed, and I also feel ready for the cooler temperature and Caribe Divine for 12 News at 10.
How much are you paying for your gym membership?
About $45 a month.
Incidents, but and I won't be satisfied until these creeps crawl, as you know, and they get the plan.
And pool.
Oh yeah, yeah. With your other friend, yeah. Okay, I mean.
Good?
That was fucking close.
Oh, someone's getting busted. I bet you it's that maroon SUV that went flying. It is. I got that camera.
Holy shit.
It's worth preserving. So thank you, Art.
What in...
Szerintem ő is ezt csinálta, hogy nem akarta visszaküldeni, hanem
What do you want to say to Alan?
Heading there now.
It says, heading there now. Send it?
It drops Tuesday. It drops Tuesday.
oh.
You know, this ain't the first time this is.
All right, have a great day.
Okay, Garmin. Save video. Squat waffle.
What the f are you doing, bro? Stop. What the f are you doing, bro? God damn, bro. Nice. Hey, good job.
The engine is running, the road is moving, but the mind is somewhere else. The driver has driven this road many times. Muscle memory takes over. Move without thought eyes look, but do not truly see. This is autopilot. Does not always feel dramatic. There is no heavy eyelids at first, no clear warning, just slower reactions and delayed decisions. Traffic flows, normally nothing seems wrong, which makes it more dangerous. A vehicle ahead slows down, the signal is subtle, the response is late. Braking comes after the moment has already passed, distance is no longer enough, control slips away silently. The collision happens not with chaos, but with exhaustion. After the impact, reality returns instantly, heart rate rises, awareness comes back to later. Dashcam footage captures this truth. Driving looks calm until it is not. Fatigue reduces judgment, tit narrows attention, it turns routine into risk. This accident was not caused by aggression or intention, it was caused by absence of full awareness. Safety on the road requires presence, not Just hands on the wheel but mind on the moment if you feel tired, slow, downtake. Brake arrive later but arrive safely because no destination is worth reaching if awareness is left behind.
Are you okay?
I'm not okay.
Okay.